How to find barcode on Cash App to add money. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find barcode on Cash App to add money. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Here, there are various sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, the one we need is this one here at the bottom left corner of the screen. It is the bank icon. Make sure you tap on it. You will land on this page where you will see different sections related to money. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section here named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Deposit Paper Money. After you tap on it, you will see a page similar to this with the available stores in the location you have chosen to deposit money. To get the barcode, go to this part of the page and tap this option here named Show Barcode. The barcode will appear, and then you can proceed and use it. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.